Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about my bike, which is FZ16. I've ridden this motorcycle over 6 years now. Actually, I'm going to share my story with this bike and less kind of a review, some pros and cons of this bike according to me. So let's begin. It all started when I was in college. When I saw this FZ model for the first time, I was totally blown away by its masculine frame and the fat tire in the rear. Back in those days, there were less attractive street bikes. There was this Pulsar 150, Pulsar DTSI, Honda Hung, Charisma and some other. After the launch of this motorcycle, the market changed completely and people went crazy after this bike, and I was one of them. After completing my college, got job, after a couple of years, I finally decided to buy my first bike. I did a lot of research and finally I ended up buying this. Since then till now, it's been a wonderful experience altogether. Now before moving to the pros and cons of this bike, I'll quickly run you through the engine specification. It's a 4-stroke single cylinder carbureted air-cooled engine with maximum power of 13.8 bhp at 7,500 rpm and maximum torque of 13.6 Nm at 6,000 rpm. Coming to the braking, it got 267 mm disc in the front and 120 mm drum in the rear. It's 17 inches alloy wheel with 180 tire in the front and 140/60 tire in the rear. Gives you enough confidence to ride in any kind of terrain, and both the tires are radial and tubeless. Talking about the rear tire, actually I've changed the tire. It's now I've put 140/70 tire, SEAT tire. Why I changed it, I'll tell you later in this video. Now moving to the bike suspension, it got telescopic suspension in the front and monoshock suspension in the rear. Now talking about the instrument cluster, it's a digital cluster. It's not completely digital, as you can see the sticker over here, but serves the purpose. It got tachometer, speedometer, trip meter and fuel indicator. I've ridden this motorcycle over 50,000 kilometers. Here it's showing 37,000 something. Why is it? Because बहुत सालों पहले मैंने अपने खास दोस्त को बाइक चलाने के लिए दिया था. पता नहीं उसने क्या किया, बाइक ठोक दी, मेरा मीटर तोड़ दिया. आई नो बहुत नुकसान हो गया, मेरा नहीं उसका, क्योंकि मैंने उससे पूरे पैसे ले लिए थे. Anyways, now moving to the main topic, the pros and cons. I'll start with the pros of this bike. First of all, yes, this bike is a looker. As I said before, it's masculine frame, you know, the tank shape and all that thing, and the fat tire in the rear. It's, you know, really very appealing. And the next thing which I like about this bike is it's low in maintenance. The servicing cost is around 500 to 700 bucks, which is pretty you know, cheap according to me. The seating posture is very upright. If you tour on this bike for hours and hours, then also you won't get any back pain at all. The next thing is that you can easily filter this bike through any kind of traffic, whether it's moderate traffic or bumper to bumper traffic, because it's lightweighted and it's easily flickable. The weight distribution of the bike is really very good. You won't find it heavier. Obviously it's a lightweighted engine, but still you won't feel it's heavier on the left side compared to the right side, or you know, heavier on the front compared to the back, vice versa. The next thing which I like about this bike is its fuel efficiency. This bike is really very fuel efficient. The average which I get on city rides is around 35 to 40, and on highways I get around 40 to 45. It's really good, yeah. And the main thing which I like about this bike is its engine reliability. As you guys know that Yamaha is a top-notch motorcycle manufacturing company. Quality and the reliability of the engine is really very good. आज तक कभी कुछ लफड़ा नहीं हुआ engine को लेके. Touch wood, wood का है, wood का है. So these are the pros of this bike according to me. Now moving to the cons of this bike, the first thing which I didn't like about this bike is its rear tire, which I changed, as I said earlier in this video. Initially it was flat tire. Flat tire में problem ऐसा होता है कि if the air pressure is little bit low, side से crack गिरने के लिए चालू हो जाता है यहाँ से, this part. Inflate your tires properly do check your tire air pressure once in 2 weeks time. If your tire has low air pressure, there is a chance of your tire getting punctured. वो मेरे साथ बहुत बार हुआ था नए टायर को लेके. And if it's overinflated, then traction of the tire from the road decreases, and there is a possible chances of your tire getting wear and tear towards its center. जो टायर का एयर प्रेशर है उतना ही रखना, ना ज़्यादा ना कम. The second thing which I didn't like about this bike is its seat, which I've changed. Seat मैंने change नहीं किया है. Actually, this is a seat cover which I've put, which cost me around $400. The stock seat is very hard. If you ride on this kind of seat, the stock seat for hours, then you will definitely get a butt pain. Now it's way better. It's not that comfortable, but still, it's good. The next thing which I didn't like about this bike is its halogen headlamp, which I've changed. Now it's LED. Initially it was really very dull. I couldn't see anything when I ride during night time. Now it's really very better. And plus I have these two fog lamps, which is adding a plus to it. The next thing which I didn't like about this bike is suspension. I know it's not ADB, but still I feel it's a little bit stiffer compared to other 150cc motorcycles. So that's all, guys. So these are the things which I felt about this bike during my 6 years of riding. Your point of view will be slightly different, I would say, compared to mine, but yeah, this is what I feel, and this is my opinion, my user experience about this motorcycle. If I missed anything, you can definitely let me know in the comment section. Since I bought this bike till now, it's been a beautiful experience. I really love my bike. Look at this motorcycle, guys. It still looks the same, not much of a difference. It's been over 6 years now, and he looks the same. He's a vampire. That's it, guys. If you like this video, please hit the thumb icon, share this video with your friends, subscribe the channel. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. और हाँ, happy Diwali.